When we think about interior design, you might think about making a space more beautiful or more functional. But today I'm joined by Lisa Platt. She's faculty and a researcher at the UF School of Interior Design, and she's about to tell us how she can make spaces more safe with some of her research and a little help from AI. Lisa, thanks for joining us. Tell us about your work.
So thanks for the question, Lauren, and thanks for the opportunity to talk about it. My work at the Florida Institute for Built Environment Resilience is around infection prevention through design. Over the past couple years, we've developed a software called the Resilience Inference System for Performance Safety, or RISP model. And what RISP does is basically help healthcare facilities make better informed decisions when they're designing their hospitals.
Can you give us an example of how your software would work?
Sure. So for example, we could take a bacteria like MRSA and do a scan of the data in a community to see how this type of bacteria risk might present an increased potential for hospital-acquired infections, or HAI, in a healthcare setting. And so we would take the data related to the community and the type of patients a hospital is treating, and then also look at the area of the hospital where this type of infection might be the most severe. And then we would plug this data into a virtual healthcare environment, run simulations, and see how these suite of strategies might help to moderate the risk of something like a MRSA infection in a healthcare setting.
That's amazing. So your software essentially can look at human behavior, it can look at environmental risks, and it can even look at just the design of the hospital, the way the hallways are laid out, where the hand sanitizing stations are, and you can determine how effective everything is going to work. Lisa, where can people learn more about your software?
Sure, you can learn more about the RISP software, our infection prevention through design lab, and all the work on the research we're publishing at the Florida Institute for Built Environment Resilience website.
Another great Tech Tuesday for the books. Lisa's keeping viewers safe with her awesome work. I'm Lauren Asmus with UF Innovate Accelerate. Lisa, thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much for the opportunity.